What if your gut wasn't just about digestion? What if it could feel stress, sadness, even joy? Sounds strange? Welcome to the world of psychobiotics, living bacteria that don't just help your stomach, they may actually influence your mind. Here's the deal. Your gut is loaded with over 100 million neurons. That's more than in your spinal cord. Scientists even call it the second brain. And it's not just a nickname, it literally talks to your brain through a superhighway called the gut-brain axis. So what happens when this communication goes wrong? Mood swings, anxiety, trouble sleeping, even depression, and the cause might not be in your head, but in your belly. Now let's talk psychobiotics. These are specific strains of good bacteria, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, that help your gut produce chemicals like serotonin and GABA, which your brain uses to regulate emotions. Fun fact, about 90% of your body's serotonin isn't made in your brain, it's made in your gut. Yes, your gut might be happier than your head. People with a healthy, diverse gut microbiome are more emotionally balanced, more resistant to stress, and even less likely to develop mental disorders. On the flip side, people with depression often have a depleted, damaged microbiome. And it's not just about popping probiotics. Everything, from how you were born, to the antibiotics you've taken, to what you eat every day, plays a role in shaping your inner ecosystem. In one experiment, scientists transplanted gut bacteria from depressed humans into mice. The mice became anxious and withdrawn, without any changes to their environment. It was just the microbes. So here's a wild idea. Maybe we've been looking at mental health from the wrong end. Maybe the future of psychology doesn't start in the head, but in the gut. The cure for burnout might be fermented carrots, the best mood booster, a 30-minute walk after dinner that gets your microbiome moving. Let's be clear, psychobiotics aren't a miracle pill, but they are part of the puzzle. A living, invisible system that could reshape how we understand mental and physical health as a whole. So next time you're feeling off, don't just ask, "What's wrong with me?" Ask, "What did I eat today?"